Hi all, welcome back. Today we are going to learn something about the AI skills. Generally, AI skills works for the document extraction, classification, etc. Uh, let's create a AI skill first. There are there are two options: document classification, document extraction. Document classification means that there are two types of document, and here you are create a AI that classify that document in a particular segment. Like one document is related to order bill, and the other document is related to a payment receipt. This AI classification will classify your documents. Okay. Second one is extraction. Extraction is based on if suppose you have a bill, you have a you have a product bill, and if you want to extract some data from there like name, bill number, bill date, amount, that you can do from the extraction section. Today we are going to cover the extraction part first, and let's suppose we create a name like AI skills 2 and create. Let's save the particular security, and see, here are two sections: published model and unpublished model. They are another option there that you have to create first model. You have to click on the create first model, and there are two types of documents are available, like semi-structured or structured, highly structured. Today we are like semi-structure is mean there are some invoices, layout is shifting down and up, and highly structured mean there is fixed forms, like we can say if we generate a bill, then it have a fixed form, ITR, text files, etc. So we going with the highly structured document. Before uploading document, you have to go through the some mandatory fields, like upload at least 10 files. You have to upload minimum 10 files, and maximum 200 files you can upload here. All documents are PDF only. All documents must be have to be PDF, and all documents are under 7 MB. All documents are unique. Okay, like there is no document with the same bill number. Okay, same bill. uh, you There are multiple or there are different dates or same dates, but bill number is always unique, so all documents are unique. Okay, let's upload some documents. So I have some documents already I have, and let's select all the documents. These documents I will provide in the description box, you can download from there. Okay, all the documents are uploaded, and click next. See, there are fields, like what fields you want to extract. Like I want to extract the name, I want to extract the address, I want to extract the invoice number, I want to extract the invoice date, and I want to extract the total amount. These text values will be show here because I was work on that, and you can type here any column that you want to extract. Okay, then click next, and now you have to extract the mark the values, mark the fields, that which field you are going to transfer in which column. Like need to fancy, we have to go with the, sorry, we have to remove need to fancy, we have to go to with name, and address we have to go with the address, invoice number have go with the invoice number, invoice date go with the invoice date, and amount go with the total amount. Okay, these are all factors we have to do. You can got the GSTI number or any other things you can take, then review, and there after reviewing that you have 10 documents and 10 names are available at S10, or large documents are having the 10 columns that we want to select. Then we have to do the save changes, and we have to click on the train model. The model is trained in the backend, and if you want to go to the summary, then click on the model summary and see there are the model is in the unpublished model. Actually it was working on that particular document, and after all documents are get trained, this will show in the published model. All for your tutorial I have already completed that. After uh, there will be an option after the publishing successful, there will be an option, then you can publish, and this section will go to the publish model. Okay, now we have to create a process model that extract that document and save into the record. So I have created record already. There are some section like ID, name, address, invoice number, invoice date, total amount, and by default all the 4 columns. Okay, then we have to go to the process model. Let's create a process model again, and AISkills. Okay, create. I think the net is little bit slow. Save the securities. Delete. So like what we have to do, we have to first create a variable, process variable, name is record. We have to create a record variable here. Data that is related to record type, record, sorry, VA. So it's a bill type, value will be, after that we have to upload. Okay, click OK. Then we have to click a node that extract from document. Okay, and other node is write records. Basically what we have to do, actually this process takes more time, half an hour something. It is done is in 15 minutes, so I have already created for you all guys. Okay, let's work on that particular extract file node. Click on that, click setup. Here you have to select the AISkills skills 1, because we are going to get first one. Then we have to go to data, document. We have to get the document from, actually we have to create a PV first. Add variable, document, and type document, and value you can select. I already create a constant for document. Save changes. Okay, go here, go to setup, AISkills, going to data, document, select the document here, document, and go to the output, extract ID. If you want to get the extract ID, then you can get, click variable, click create variable, and you want to extract the data, then you have to click then you have to select that particular record here. Okay, click OK and select here that particular record where you want to add that data. Okay, so let me check once that I have already a record and value is 1. Now we are going to create again a record, then this value will be 2. Okay, click save and publish. Okay, it is save and publish and start debugging. Actually this node takes a little bit time, so we have to wait for that. Actually, let me know another thing we have to wait for that. Actually, there is a process like after submission you will see that this type of interface: name, address, invoice number, invoice date, total amount that we was select. In submit that you will get that 86% of fields are identified correctly. You have to now worry that we have to train it like train like multiple. We have to use multiple times. We have to upload the multiple document that record will be 100%. By field you can check that address 3, label number of label 3, and accuracy will be total amount is less. No issue with it, you can try first time, and if you get the issue with the save the values, you can try more and more. It will definitely go to the 1. Okay, when we have to click on the by document, see this document has 5 field, this document has 5 field, this document has 5 field. The recall and the F scores is 1, and this file has 0.80, this file has 0.89, sometimes it is 1. So don't issue with it, you can try, this will be work. Let's go to the process model, let's refresh it. It is also in the process yet. Go to the monitor tab, see our process is working. Okay, no issue. There are two segments, like this first is related to document extraction only. Next video will be covered for the document classification. Document classification is like which document type, which document is related to which field, like I told before you. Let me check, it is already still in the process. Okay, let me wait for that. You can check the summary. This also will take time, you have to refresh more and more for check the status of that particular unpublished model. See, you can check the last trained on, it will show the date, time and created on also, and unpublished model, model name, model number, and which user is going to publish that train that model. Okay, let me check. Yeah, this got completed. See, this is completed, and go to the process variable. See, these are record is extracted. Go to the process record and you have to refresh that. And see, this record is already extracted. This is the best node, that this is the best process that you can extract multiple documents. Like let's suppose you have an interface and you upload multiple documents, like 10 documents you are upload, and did not want to save a particular document manually, and you can use that particular extraction document. Extraction document will extract all your data. You have to set one time, and you have to worry not about it. It will work definitely. Okay, today's for all. it is today done. Okay, let try this extraction document, and next part will be related to like document classification. Okay, thank you all.